Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting Trust Wallet app notifications for transactions or wallet activity on your iPhone? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. Two places to check in your iPhone settings. First, go to iPhone settings and then scroll to the installed app list until you see Trust Wallet or just search for it directly. Once you find it, go ahead and then tap on it. Then tap notifications. Make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. If the toggle is gray, then tap it to turn it green. Now look at the alert style section directly below. Make sure that it is set to banners or alerts and not none. If it says none, notifications are technically enabled but will never appear on your screen. Also, turn on sounds and badges below that. After fixing those, go back up to the top of your screen and then tap focus. Go through each focus mode in the list of silenced apps. If it's there, then remove it. So all you've got to do is go to your settings, go to Trust Wallet, then allow notifications on. Set to banners, check focus modes, Trust Wallets or alerts will come through, and that's it. Subscribe.